Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Under the topic integers, we have done introduction, comparison, ascending and descending order, absolute value, additive inverse, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, successor and predecessor. Today we are going to start with the representation of an integer on number line and addition and subtraction on number line. So students, let's start with it. Firstly, we should know what is a number line. Number line is basically a line drawn on which all the integers are marked which are equispaced from one another. We know integer includes 0, negative lies towards the left of the 0, positive numbers lies towards the right of the 0 as written here also. Equispaced means distance between all the integers marked on this line should be equal. If I have taken 1 centimeter in between -1 and 0, it should be 1 centimeter as many as integers I have taken. Between 0 and +1, +1 and +2 up to so on, between -1 and -2, -2 and -3. One more thing that you have to keep in mind, we know as the negative numbers are moving towards this side, -1, -2, -3. But these numbers have no end. So to show on the number line that these numbers have no end, we have to write down minus infinity. This symbol is termed as infinity, minus infinity in the left side of the number line. Similarly, positive numbers +1, +2, +3 up to so on, they don't have end. So to show that these are the endless numbers, we have write down plus infinity at the end of the number line. So this is the number line in which integers are marked which are equispaced, and minus infinity and plus infinity must be written on the both ends of the line. Now students, we are going to discuss how to represent integers on number line. Let's start with the first example. All integers from -3 to 3. So firstly we will write down all the integers which lies from -3 to 3, start from -3 until 3. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are the integers which we are supposed to mark on the number line. After that, draw a number line, and we know how to draw a number line. Always draw a number line with the help of a scale so that you got the equal distance in between the integers marked on the line. Must write down minus infinity on the left side and plus infinity on the right side of the number line to show that number are endless on both the sides of the number line. Then write down the required integers on the markings. After that, dark the marks of the integers which we are supposed to mark on the number line. Let us suppose here -3, dark -3, -2, dark -2, then similarly -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is how you represent the integers on the number line. Now students, let's discuss one more example. Question is all integers between -1 and 5. Between means these numbers should not be included in the integers. So after -1, 0 comes, before 5, 4 comes. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the required integers which we will suppose to mark on the number line. Then after that we will draw a number line. We know how to draw a number line. After that, mark the integers on the number line. which must be equispaced from one another. Then after that, darken the above written integers on the number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 as darkened here. Is it clear? Students, we are going to discuss addition and subtraction on number line. One method of addition and subtraction of integers we have already learnt in the video of addition and subtraction. In the video of addition and subtraction, we have learned two steps to solve the sums of addition and subtraction. First step was to use the bracket rule. Second step was to use the integer rule. Here, first step remains same, but second step will change under this topic. Now let's discuss it. Here, first step is to solve the bracket. That will same as we did in the video of addition and subtraction. You know, if outside the bracket plus sign is there, inside sign remain same. So plus 2, inside sign is minus, so minus 5 will come. Now after that, in the second step, now we will not use the integer rules in the second step. Now we will use the number line. In the second step, we draw the number line. We know how to draw a number line. Then mark the integers which should be equispaced from one another. Then always starts from the 0. Your pencils must be on the 0 position to solve the sums of addition and subtraction of number line. Then see the first number of the sum and first sign. If sign with the first number is plus, then you have to move towards the right, and if minus sign is there, then you have to move towards the left of the number line. Here plus is there, that means from the 0 you need to shift towards the right of the number line. But how many steps you need to move? That is 2 steps. Plus indicates to move right side. 2 indicates 2 steps towards the right side. So starting from the 0, we will move 2 steps towards the right and reach here. Like this, we will draw a line and arrow should be indicated here. Then after that, see the sign of the second number. Here minus is there. Minus means you have to move towards the left side now. How many steps? 5 steps. So from 2, now you are supposed to move 5 steps towards the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to reach here. So like this, you have to reach here and arrow should be indicated here. This is the final step. No more number is there. So circle this number. This is your required answer. So answer is equal to minus 3. This is how you can do addition and subtraction with the help of number line. Now students, let's discuss one more example of addition and subtraction with the help of number line. First step is to solve the bracket. We see outside the bracket minus sign is there, so inside sign will change. So plus 3, inside sign is minus, so plus will come, plus 1. After that, we will draw the number line in the second step. Then always starts from the 0 position. Sign with the first number is plus, which shows that you have to move towards the right. How many steps? 3 steps. From 0 you are supposed to move 3 steps in the right direction. 1, 2, 3. So you have to reach here. After that, move towards the second number. Here sign is plus. Again you have to move towards the right side. And here how many steps you are supposed to move? One step. So from 3 you are supposed to move one step in right direction and reach here. Your arrow should be point at this position. Now no number left after this. So this is your final answer. Circle this number. Answer is equal to 4. Now students, we have learned two methods of addition and subtraction. One is by using the integer rules. Second one is by using the number line. You can solve according to the requirement of the question by both the ways. Now I hope students you have understood with the topic addition and subtraction and representation of integer or number line. Now you are able to do the related work which we have sent to you in a snap homework. Thank you students.